Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to talk about the GETPIVOTDATA function, and we will try to answer to give the an answer to these questions: what it is, how to get rid of it, and learn how to use it properly. To show you what the GETPIVOTDATA function is, we will switch to this table here with some dummy transactional data. So we insert a normal pivot table. The range is our table. We want to insert the pivot table inside a new worksheet, and for the purpose of this video we don't need to add this data to the data model. So we click OK. Excel creates a new worksheet with our pivot table inside it. The first thing that we do is to select the date and time column and drag it into the rows field. Then we select the first cell inside the data. We go to the pivot table contextual tab, analyze, group selection, and we want to group these dates by months. Click OK. Now we move the months to the columns fields. We center it. Then we take the customer type and we drag it into the rows field. Then we put on the value field our values that we wanna analyze. Then we switch off the totals for the rows and columns, and we can begin to understand what the GETPIVOTDATA function is. Suppose that we wanna to uncover the percentage of change from the data in January and the data in February. We do our usual calculation. We point inside the first cell of the February. Then we divide for the first cell of January, and we subtract 1. Okay, the change in percentage is about 39, 38 and 38%. But look at what Excel has inserted. When you point, every time you point, you are building a formula outside a pivot table that points inside a pivot table. Excel automatically inserts the GETPIVOTDATA function. Probably this function is a very hard one to understand, but it is in some situation it is very useful to know how to use it properly. But in this video I'm gonna show you how to work around it, and to make sure that Excel does not insert it automatically every time you want to build a formula that points inside a pivot table. So we delete it. The first workaround is to type the cell reference that contains the value that you want inside your formula manually. So in this case, the first cell is C5. So we type C5 divided by B5 minus 1. You see, in this way, Excel does not insert automatically the GETPIVOTDATA function inside your formula. And you can copy the formula down normally. But if this is not enough for you and you want to get rid of the GETPIVOTDATA function forever, with the select one cell inside the pivot table, then go to the pivot table contextual tab, select Analyze, go into the first category, pivot table, identify this options menu, then click on the little arrow at the right side of the option menu, and then uncheck the generate GETPIVOTDATA option in this way. You see, the option is unchecked, and now every time you wanna construct a formula that points inside the pivot table, Excel does not insert the GETPIVOTDATA function. In the next video, in my next video, we will see that the GETPIVOTDATA function can be very useful in some situation. But for the moment, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.